हाँ go. नहीं. Keep going, keep coming. और थोड़ा attitude लाओ. लगे चले yes. Of course. Hey, my baby. We are living.
Finally have come, my babu.
After watching you, after seeing you, after accepting you, right now I feel happy.
Skill, but somewhere we are lacking our personality. That is why it's very important to build our personality, guys. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
100%? Yes, sir. There is one word called slouch walking, guys. Slouch walking, right? Like this we walk, right?
Slouch.
Right, that is called slouch. Why? It's kind of bhaddi chal. Hana, we are bending like this, right? And that shows that you are not interested, you are in tension, you are in depression, you are boring kind of. Right? Yeah. And there is one more walking, guys, that is called fisting walk, guys. Fisting means like this.
Just like bouncer.
Just like bouncer. So don't have fisting. It shows that you have attitude, guys. Yes. Right? So don't do like this, guys. Right? So the best one right now you have to do, guys. Right? I'm going to tell you. If you are walking, right? Your first, this hand. If your hand, like your hand will be ahead, then leg, opposite to direction, right? Right hand, left leg. Left hand, right leg. Understood? Yes. Do little bit, guys.
Yes, sir.
Go. No, ahead, right? Little bit. Go in distance, go with distance. Stand up here. Okay. Are you are not in parade? He is doing like this. All right. Come on, you have to meet your friend, okay? Okay, fine. Hey, everybody, come on.
Hello. Hey, everybody. How are you?
Okay.
3 seconds.
Okay. कुछ लोग खुश हैं लड़की से हाथ मिला के. Let me tell you again, right? If you are walking, right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. Okay?
Yes.
Right, left, right. Go.
Okay.
Don't look like the bread.
That is fine, but don't move a lot. Come here. Now this stick will work for you. You stand up here.
Like.
See there. Hold this. Okay, you will not move your hand.
Okay.
Whatever I will do, you just have to walk only. All right? Ready? 100%? All right. You are moving. No. You simply have to be like this. I will do this, na?
Okay.
I will do this. Okay? Fine. Go ahead. Go thoda aage hoiye. All right. Okay? You don't have to do. You are doing, na? You don't have to do anything. I will do that. All right. Fine. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Walk. Walk. Now you're not doing. Come. Now I will do it. Go ahead. All right. Fine. Ready? Go. Why not going? Wait. Both are same. No. Come again. तो फिसल रहा है. All right, fine. Go. Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. All right, very nice. Okay. Now, girlish walk. Girlish walk, as I have told you, this, right? Come on. You have to walk on this ribbon, guys. Who will come? Who wants to come? Boys are excited? I think you need to check up. Yes. Fine. Go ahead, please. Okay. Girlish walk. keep going. Arey, why are you forgetting your hand movement, guys? Because of this now you're forgetting your hand movement. Don't forget your hand movement. Let girls walk first. Let girls. Who wants to come? Okay, Kashyas come. Okay, come back. Look at us. Come.
Yeah, let's.
Very nice. Fantastic. Okay. No, you come here. You come here. Okay, hold this. Okay. You come here. You hold this, okay?
Yes.
It's a girlish walk. Girlish walk. You have to walk here.
Yes.
You have to go like you went. Right? Go. You have to move this pipe so that he can also move. And you do not have to move. She will move. However she will move, you also have to move, okay? You have to push it. You have to pull it. Come on. Why are you pushing?
I am not pushing, sir.
Acha. Okay, no problem. Right, go. ठीक है, fine. Come back again. Come back. Acha. Yes. All right. Yes. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Now, I don't know what is inside. A boy, like a girl. Please. Girlish walk. Girlish. What about hand movement? Hand movement. Hand movement. Of course, right? Hand movement. Hand movement, yes. All right. Tayyib bhai. Tayyib bhai. Tayyib bhai. Acha, from there, okay. No problem. Tayyib bhai. Girlish walk.
Girlish walk.
अरे ये बचना चाह रहा है इसके नजाकत एहतराम कम अगेन What is this? All right, it's okay. Okay, a girl like a boy. A girl like a boy. Is there any girl? Like a boy.
She can.
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys. Feel confident. Build your personality. Yes. Like a boy. And let me tell you, boy means you, according to your shoulder. It will not be like this. It will be like this, right? Come. Yes. Shoulder, according to your shoulder. No. ये पैर थोड़ा सा. According to shoulder. All right. Yes. Like Salman Khan. All right. आपका पैर ऐसे जा रहा है. No. Anybody else? हाँ. Ananya. Hurry up. We have to focus on speaking. Yes. Okay. Like a boy. Almost. और थोड़ा attitude लाओ. लगे चले yes. Of course. Yeah, very nice. Okay guys. I'm telling you. सबको एक तरफ से करना, ठीक है? ऐसे आना, ऐसे जाना. Let me see who does, right?
Yes, sir.
Everybody girlish walk. Go. Keep going. Girlish walk. Keep going. Girlish walk. Keep going. 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 Go. 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 Wow, huh? Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. Walk like a girl, walk like a girl, walk like a girl. All right. Are? Professional walk. Professional walk, yes, like a boy.
Professional.
Yes, professional. Yeah, boy. Walk like a boy, walk like a boy. Arey, don't do like this. Just normal, right? Arey, he is still like walking like a girl. You have to walk like a boy. Are you okay? Okay, fine. Stand up, guys. Now these people, guys. These people. Okay.
Come.
Arey, wow.
Like a girl, sir.
They did well job, guys. They really did well
Like a
job.
girl, man.
You have to do better than them, guys.
Yes, sir.
First, walk like a girl. Not only here, but also nazakat from upper side as well.
Like this, man.
Of course, yes, like this. Try to build, captivation. Try to build attraction. Try to build impression. Walk like a girl. Come on. अरे ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? It's like doing. What is this? What was that? What was that? What was that? Okay, no problem. Huh? Walk like a girl. Everybody keep coming. You keep going. And keep coming like a girl. Like a girl. Keep coming. Keep coming. Like a girl. Keep coming. Oh wow, Himanshu, wow. Nasir Abid Ji. Tayyab bhai. How very nice. Keep coming. Wow, very nice. Girls are doing perfectly. Wow, Himanshu, wow. Of course, right? Nazakat. Okay, walk like a boy now. Boy. Professional walk like a boy. Chest. Not so much. Chest. Yes. Not parade one. Yes.
Like a boy, not a girl.
Very nice. Wow. Very nice. Fantastic. Stand up. Okay. Very good. Fantastic. What do you think, guys? Which team has done well?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Now, go and greet with the same walking like a girl. You have to walk. Go and talk to them. Yes. कोई कह रहा है कि मेरी बेवफाई में चल रहा हूं. अरे यहाँ पे बेवफाई क्यों चल रही भाई? Okay, walk like a boy. Go and talk something professionally, right? Walk like boy. Go.
Okay.
Don't bend yourself. I really appreciate you. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, it's fine. You're still talking. So you must have got an idea that being a boy means just like, you know,
Yes, sir.
and having, right kind of having good energy and walk. Being a girl also means to be energetic, but walking style should be like in nazakat, okay? Now guys, I will take just a name. You have to be that person and go and meet one person and talk like that. Create your own situation and talk, all right? So who wants to go to them? You want to go? Okay. It's a greeting and meeting with a person after a long time. You are coming from London and you're going to meet your wife or maybe girlfriend.
Yes,
you have to suppose a girl, a boy, a girl, right? Like a girl.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
you have to go and talk to him just like surprisingly. Go.
Anytime? Anyone?
Anybody, yeah. बताइए surprise. It is surprise. It is surprise. जैसे लग रहा
Sir,
पता
I am
क्या?
surprised कि he is surprised.
मैयत हो गई. जैसे लगता बीबी के देहांत. My wife is no more. Don't slouch your body. Don't slouch your body. Don't slouch your body. Okay. You can suppose anybody. You can suppose anybody your wife. Okay. You have to go to that person and just do whatever you want, but don't kiss him. Okay.
Okay, done.
Go.
With good energy, yeah, well.
Yes.
Hey, my baby. We are living.
Finally have come, my babu.
After watching you, after seeing you, after accepting you, right now I feel happy. Baby, I miss you so much.
अरे बीवी कब से हस्बैंड को उठाने लगी? कुछ भी. No. Okay, fine. Okay, who will do filthy handshake? Filthy handshake. Go and talk. Filthy handshake. Filthy handshake.